In today's episode, we're going grocery shopping. I'm on vacation this week, so as you guys can tell, I eat a lot. So now we're on our way to Costco right now. Looks a little packed inside, like always.
Like that gas jet, huh?
Yeah.
Is that thing good?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm talking about the
The
steak.
Joby, yeah, it's good.
I want to get one of these. Yeah, I want to get one of those.
What's going on?
He's famous, this guy.
Famous, huh?
He's famous, yeah.
Yeah, he put you in famous too. Yeah, put him on something.
I'll put you on there. Best worker right here. I just met him.
Yeah, he's better though. He's
That's
better.
hobby.
Yeah.
He's my hero. What you up to, bro?
Doing a vlog right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I like
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I did a bunch of videos already. Like film videos while doing a wedding this weekend. For the baby shower last weekend.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Well, you just started doing that?
I did it in high school a little bit, and then but I just kept on doing it. I took like a 7-year break, and now I'm back on it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, appreciate it. What's going on?
The best thing about Costco, you gotta get the samples. You got to.
Hi there, how you doing?
Good, how you
today?
doing? Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
See how this tastes. Oatmeal, they said.
Not cooked.
Not cooked.
No, it's not cooked. Not cooked.
Hi, oh boy, see you
Good to see
in
you.
a long time.
One eternity later.
Alrighty, nice seeing you. Videographer.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah. These are the ones right here. These are smack. Gotta get these. These are smack right here.
God of souffle. Please make that rise and taste sumptuous and delicious.
You gotta get the Gatorade. Only got like 6 things. I bet it's only come up to like $100. I really only came here for the samples, to be honest with y'all. I'm gonna go check out right now. The lines is crazy.
What's up, G?
How you been?
Oh, good, baby. How you doing?
Good, how you been?
Good to see you, homie.
Good too. Not much, working. Filming a lot. That's it.
Nice, nice. I see you with the camera, bro.
Yeah.
It's a dope ass camera, actually. I like that.
Right on.
Uh-huh.
How's things going with you?
Oh, man, I'm just chilling, man. You still with, over here, Waste Management?
Still there, yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
I know it is nuts. I'm walking around like the people that do the samples, they all scared. Like, how you doing, sir? They think I'm like a secret shopper or something.
Yeah. You rate them. You gotta rate them each one of them.
I know, huh? I should have started messing with them like a little bit more.
Yeah.
I know I'm not the only person that does this after they go grocery shopping. Yeah, can I get a number 7? Thank you. Vlog is over. I'll see you guys on the next video.